How you doing? Huh? What's your name?
Astro Boy.
What is it?
Astro Boy. Astro.
And who's that?
This is Jaffa.
Hi, Jaffa. And this guy?
This is Ava. This is the beautiful Ava.
Oh, yeah. Gorgeous. And then take a look. What's the goat's name?
Buddy.
Hey, buddy. What's going on?
He's a bit angry, I think.
Are you angry? Are you angry? And then take a look up here, everyone. Look at this. See if I can get this to open. Okay, I'm just trying to open up the phone. There we go. There we go. Getting closer. Hi, how are ya? What a beautiful bird. What kind of bird is that?
It is a galah.
A galah?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, 1 second. Let's see. Where is he? There he is. So we're way on top of a mountain, correct? Way on top of a mountain. We're like 7,000 feet up. I'll be showing you the actual, the ride up their driveway. It was quite something. We actually had to cross a river, not kidding, to get to their house, okay? The river was probably about 2 feet deep, and you'll see it when I post it, okay? Okay, so here. Let's take a look, see if I can minimize this. Anyways, yeah, let me just show you around, okay? So this used to be owned, oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this, guys. Okay, wait. Okay, let's see.
What kind of birds are those? They are...
Oh, they're gone now. Well,
They'll be back.
they'll be back for the seeds, right?
Yeah, I just put the seeds there.
What kind of birds were those?
What are those colourful birds? Those are monk-head birds. What are they? Rosellas.
Rosellas? We'll have to get a picture of those later, a video.
Yeah. Tomorrow morning, when you wake up, there's 10, 20 birds there, all different birds.
Okay.
Because we feed them every morning when we have
All right. We'll do that.
Yeah.
So tomorrow morning, I'm going to post our ride up their peaceful, beautiful, serene driveway. Okay? Bye.